And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the replace method. We use it yet again on a string variable. I call it let text equals, and then maybe Facebook is the best social media platform. We all know that this is a lie, so we definitely want to replace Facebook and make this a true statement. Then we print it out using document.write. Here it is. And now we can add our .replace method to it. So text.replace, the regular parenthesis, and inside we want to add two values. First one will be what we want to replace, then a comma, and the second value is what we want to replace it with. So in our case, as I've said, Facebook needs to be replaced. Add that in quotation marks, and then also add in quotation marks what you want to replace it with. In our case, YouTube is definitely the best social media platform, primarily because I'm on it. And there you go. The sentence is now different. Keep in mind that this doesn't change the variable text, so if I print it out again, it will have Facebook once more. So the variable is only changed temporarily when it is used here in this specific case using the method. Two more things to add. When we have Facebook more than once in our variable, you can see it only replaced the first one. And here we can use something which is called a regix. That's short for regular expressions. I'm going to make videos about that in the future, so if you've never heard it, don't worry too much. Instead of using quotation marks, we use these slashes, and then we add what we want to replace, in our case Facebook. Still only found the first one, but now we can add something that's called a flag. In our case, we need the G flag, which is the global flag, and this finds all of the Facebooks in our text and replaces it with our YouTube. But what if I have uppercase Facebook, for example? It can't find it anymore. So this is case sensitive. Therefore, we should add a second flag, which is the I flag. And now the case sensitivity is gone. So however Facebook is written, uppercase, lowercase, doesn't really matter. The regix finds this and then replaces it with YouTube. Or the regix helps us finding it would be the correct way to phrase this. And this is how you can use the replace method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.